You have probably heard on the news how coronavirus, or COVID-19, is spreading around the world. In March 2020, the World Health Organization classified the outbreak as a pandemic. But don't panic. Let me share with you what we know about COVID-19 and how you can be a public health warrior to stop the spreading of the virus. COVID-19 is caused by a new virus called SARS-CoV-2. The first cases were detected in late December 2019 in Wuhan, China, but now there are cases in over 150 countries. The virus is spread person to person either through contact with droplets from an infected person or by touching contaminated surfaces. Coughing and sneezing are two ways that droplets spread to others. These droplets can survive on objects and surfaces for long periods, so make sure to disinfect items that are frequently touched, such as doorknobs or cell phones, with household cleaning spray or wipes that contain at least 70% alcohol. Given how easily the virus can spread, it is important to cover your sneeze or cough with your elbow and stay home when you are feeling sick. Since the virus can rest anywhere around you, it is important to clean your hands regularly with soap and water or with alcohol-based hand disinfectant. You need to clean your hands for at least 20 seconds for your hands to be safe. Try singing a song like Happy Birthday in your head to make sure you wash them long enough. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth too. As mentioned earlier, there might be viruses resting on objects and surfaces that your hands can pick up. By touching your face with your contaminated hands, you're increasing the risk of exposing yourself to the virus. You can also be a public health warrior by practicing social distancing, meaning keeping at least 6 feet or 2 meters apart from other people, or reducing social interaction on a wide scale. So when you think about going to that football game or party, opt to stay home instead for now. In many countries, schools, restaurants and social events have been closed or cancelled to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Through social distancing, we lower the chances of a lot of people getting a disease like COVID-19 at the same time. This can help ensure that hospitals have enough resources to take care of all the sick patients. Every time you choose to stay home, you're actually helping. You might be thinking, I am young and healthy. I am not at risk of severe COVID complications. While many COVID cases present mild symptoms, severe disease can happen in all age groups, needing hospitalization. In addition, for COVID cases with mild symptoms, you might think that you only have the common cold or flu, or you might not have any symptoms at all. This means that you can be infected with COVID-19 and spread the virus without knowing about it. This is why it is very important for you to practice social distancing. You have a responsibility to take precautions to reduce disease spread, especially to those in greater risk groups, including older adults and people with chronic medical conditions like diabetes, lung disease, and hypertension. To summarize, you can be a public health warrior by covering your mouth with your elbow when you cough or sneeze, cleaning your hands frequently and for at least 20 seconds each time with soap and water or alcohol-based hand disinfectant, avoiding touching your face, practicing social distancing. You can save lives, protecting people who are more vulnerable than you by simply choosing to stay home. By taking these steps, you are playing an important role in ending this pandemic. If you have symptoms of COVID-19 such as fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, please stay home and call the Ghana Health Service at 055 843 9868 or 050 949 7700. Stay updated on the COVID-19 pandemic from the Ministry of Health, the World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the Ministry of Information, and the Johns Hopkins University's resources. Together, we can end this.